The recipe starts with 4 thick-cut pork chops. Ensure they're dry by patting them with paper towels. This will help the flour adhere better, creating that crispy crust we all crave. In a shallow dish, stir together a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. This combination of spices will give our pork chops a savory, smoky flavor. Next, create an egg wash. Beat 2 eggs and mix them with a 1/4 cup of milk. This will act as a glue for our flour mixture and help give our pork chops a golden brown finish. Now it's time to coat the pork chops. Dredge each chop in the flour mixture, ensuring both sides are evenly coated. Then, dip the chop into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off. Place the chop back into the flour for a second coating. This double dip ensures a thick, crispy crust. With the chops coated, it's time to fry. Place them in a preheated skillet with vegetable oil. Fry for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side until they reach a golden brown color and the internal temperature hits 145 degrees. Once cooked, transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. In the same skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, sautéing until they're golden brown and tender. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over the mushrooms, stirring to create a roux. This will be the base of our gravy. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of chicken broth, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Let the gravy simmer until it thickens to your liking, then season with salt and pepper. To serve, pour the mushroom gravy over the hot fried pork chops. Garnish with chopped parsley if you like, adding a fresh touch to this hearty dish. And there you have it, Southern fried pork chops with mushroom gravy. A dish that's crispy, savory, and drenched in a rich, flavorful gravy. It's a taste of the South you can recreate right in your own kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to start cooking.